All right, we are in Tahiti at the Polynesian Culture Center, and the TheChanClan is fishing. This is about the only thing that the kids want to do when they come here. And it was closed for the show earlier. You saw them feeding the fish. And Lucas demanded after the luau that they come back here. So he's led the way, and he is fishing. I should take him real fishing sometime, but...
With bait? You need a hook or just the fish in a net after it bites.
I think these fish are probably conditioned not to bite the little bread that dangles in.
Put it at the top of the water, and then when you see it, you look at it.
You mean they're smart?
Probably smart.
Put it
You're
in
never
deep
gonna catch a like that.
Sit down. Sit down.
Lucas, be gentle, otherwise it's gonna fall off.
Catch a bird, okay.
You guys catch them over there?
Wait, you're going fishing?
It's kind of funny because you could see all these fish staring at it, and nobody's gonna go for it.
Yeah.
Which tell us that maybe fish have memory.
Nobody's eating my fish food.
It's because you fed them all already with the fish pellets.
Oh, dang. I saw one eating it.
It was nibbling on it?
No, I was like...
The big ones don't even grab it.
See, but I need the big ones to eat it because you put their whole mouth around it.
Jiggle it a little bit.
I think there's lots more fish over here.
Maybe if you bounce it at the surface a bit, they might think it's like something hitting the water. Lucas, you have to stay inside. Oh, one got curious there, Dave.
You have 2 quarters because then I can throw the bait in and grab one.
Chum the fish. You chum them and they'll get confused and might bite yours, huh?
That's my strategy. What?
Lucas, you still have that fish food? You do? Where? In your pocket? Lucas still has fish food. So throw the fish food in next to your hook, and they might get confused, and they'll eat your fish food and then eat your bread.
Literally the most boring.
This is fishing for you. This is gonna be like one of our most boring videos ever. Subscribe. Oh, somebody stole the bait.
They know they'll get caught.
You want to try it, man?
Oh no, I'm okay. Poor fish.
You let them go.
Yeah, but they get a hook in their cheek.
You eat fish for dinner.
I know.
You ate fish for dinner.
That's okay.
That's Mark. Being a man fish.
Taking chances. Ooh, if you get a goldfish, bonus $10.
I gotta pay now, right?
All right, looks like you guys are all paying for shave ice. Nobody wins.
One bite in mine, and then
David, do you have
I
long arms?
pull
Just
it
stick
up,
it
and
out.
then it just like that. There's tons of fish right
Watch them
here.
scatter.
What is it?
They're fishing. No.
You want to try it?
Oh, Doug, what happened to that one? I think it was about to eat it and then realized, oh my gosh, it's a trap.
Can all of us get shave ice? Somebody get
Not today, not today. It's like a different day. Different day. You just ate like a ton of food.
Mine.
Is that your last one?
No, tiny fish. The tiny like stripe ones.
Doug, is that your last one?
Oh, what the heck is a bird right there?
Doug, is that your last one?
Doug, how about you just kick the bird in the water?
You got a bunch of fish there, Doug. Hold still. One almost went for it. You're thinking.
Doug, I'll tell you one. I see it biting.
One of them's gonna be dumb. Somebody's gonna be greedy.
Clean after it.
One of those fish are gonna be greedy.
Oh my god. My hand is like. Sometimes like the reflection.
But I'll tell you when I see a fish biting. Can I get
Fish like these little
I
pigments like
I don't have any more quarters. You have a pellet or two?
Nope.
Seeing the little fish.
Too bad I have quarters at home, but I know
What?
about
We just ran over here.
Does Grandma have? Does Grandma have quarters?
you need a different kind of bird. Just don't lay back over the edge.
Yeah, we have a lot of those.
Cardinals. They're like brown cardinals.
Wait a minute. Can you go 2 times after you use? After you use your 3 things, can you go again, right?
Oh, this is super exciting.
What the heck? Why did they keep on going over there? This trouble over here. We're gonna try it 2 more times, right?
Dad, you can only do it 1 time a day, right?
Yeah,
But you can do other stuff 2 times a day, right?
yeah.
You could just wait until the employee shift and then come back.
David still has bait.
Yep.
Alright, Dad, this is my last.
I'm no good at trees. I don't know.
So is that your last one? Second to last?
Might be. Coconuts at the top.
Still.
Duder should climb that one.
Over there?
All right, 10 minutes later, we still don't got any fish biting, huh? This is a lesson of futility.
It's searched up, boys. You can go back.
Nope.
Alright, so the trick is, this is the one that usually works. You put it in more than halfway and you hold really still. You don't want the fish to see you. And just don't move it around too much because it just scares them off. So like don't chase it after. It's all the small fish that knocked it off. So yeah, twist your mouth. Are there fish from like nothing? Is that no, kind of. They do it on purpose. Yes, indeed. They have training.
Oh, little fish try to get mine. Not today, buddy.
This is the most boring video ever. I'm trying to just hold out for the,
Hey, buddy. I have a gift for you, okay? Close your eyes.
oh, he doesn't want a second one.
There you go.
Hey!
We have 3 types of fish.
No, it went off my line and then he ate it.
Oh, phooey. Good thing you can try 3 more times.
Wait, what? You can try one more time.
You want to go try again?
Well, you can do it another.
Yeah, you can try it again because it's a different person now. Go ask for another fishing line.
What? Are you kidding?
No, I'm
Just
not.
don't say I already did it.
Go ask for another one.
Wait, don't say I already did.
Just say, can I go fishing, please? No, seriously. I'm serious. I'm not
you
kidding.
You can do it 2 times a day.
You can do it again. Yeah.
Just say, can I go fishing?
But I don't.
Just go say it. Just go ask him to go fishing. Just line up.
They just use like a needle.
Hi guys, you guys like to try fishing? Very much.
You just need to play off.
He has to be 12? Huh?
You guys see 12?
I don't know. Nobody's 12. Go dig up a worm.
Me? Just in the dirt over there.
I'm gonna go help Lucas get a fishing pole. No more? There's no more? No, I'm still recording. I'm waiting for Douglas to get a fish. Oh, got a fish. It's a winner. Now you get to eat it. Sashimi.
And my friends here are going to try and catch one.
So right now they're just struggling. Hi. Very well.
Oh, no, I don't want to say. But they're going to say, did you already do it?
No, they won't.
Why? You can do
All you
it
have to
2
do
times.
is, yeah, all you have to do is say, yeah, but I would like to do it again if they ask you that. And you're so cute, they'll let you do it again.
You're only supposed to do it 1 time, Mom.
No, there's no limit. How many times can you get dessert?
Like,
100 times?
like. I don't want to
You're shy? Then ask your brother Michael who's shy too. 2 shy guys equals 1 non-shy guy.
David can't go. Catch the biggest one here.
I'm still sweating.
It's not that bad.
Is that I have an undershirt? I have an undershirt. Deadly.
Why'd you wear an undershirt? What?
What? Oh, okay. That's a nice breeze.
I don't want. I'm scared.
It's okay. Then don't. Just watch the fish then.
I want somebody to go with me. Stop recording.
Okay. And that's fishing at the PCC. It's a trial of patience and perseverance and most oftentimes failure. I guess it builds character though. Lots of character. Especially if you've made it this far in this video. You did see this guy over here, who's not part of the Chan clan, who did catch a fish, so at least we're glad to see that it does happen. It does happen. But as far as David and Douglas go, absolutely nothing. And Lucas is shy guy. Shark on the line?
Just shark.
A baby shark? David? Do not hook somebody in the eye. I've seen that happen. I've seen somebody globe that decompressed because their dad was fly fishing with him. They cast, they got the hook in the eye.
And he just pulled it.
It was disgusting.
Look at Doug, he's not even fishing anymore. He's just looking.
The end. And then there was one. Our sole holdout. The drummers are basically...
What the? What are they trying to eat?
They're trying to eat you.
Eat the bubbles.
Here, come eat me.
David, help him get another fishing rod.
Huh?
Let Lucas go again.
Oh yeah, you need 2 fishing rods. Just
No, just help Lucas.
Oh, some guy got one.